Okay. Alright everyone, can I have your attention please? Thank you. So good evening team. And since everyone is already here, let's start today's meeting. Okay. So the topic of today's meeting is about our company's 10th anniversary, which you all already know is about 2 months away. So our goal for today's meeting is to decide the main concept of the event. We'll start with general ideas first so we can start planning the details later. Okay, so I was thinking of a more professional gala dinner idea, maybe at a hotel. But I'm very open to other ideas, so I would like to hear from Danu first. You are from the marketing team. What do you think of my idea?
Okay, thank you. A gala dinner sounds great, but perhaps we can try something better, something new or something different. Maybe an outdoor team building event. Yeah, it's more casual and I think it's good for our branding too.
Okay, that's a very interesting idea, outdoor team building. Okay, so I would like to hear from others, maybe Restu, you're from the HR department. What do you think of our employees wanted?
I like Danu's idea. Yeah, many employers have asked for a more relaxed event, and other events sounds fun. Yeah, sounds fun. However, we must consider the weather.
Okay.
The good weather.
Weather.
Yeah, that's a good point. We'll put that into consideration. Okay, so we have two options here, right? So Sindhu, I would like to hear from you about the budget of these two concepts. We have a gala dinner setting and an outdoor team buildings. What do you think from the budget perspective?
Okay, thank you. Please give me a moment. Okay, based my calculation, the budget for what is almost similar. A gala dinner has a heavy venue and food cost. A team building has a vendor and logistic cost. So, from a finance side, what are possible?
Okay, so it's both possible. So we have two very good options here. We have a gala dinner, which is more professional, but we also have an outdoor team building that is more engaging for employees. But by the sound of it, I think we are more leaning towards the outdoor building concept. Am I correct, Danu?
Yes, I think it's better for our teamwork.
Okay, Restu, what do you think?
I agree. It feels fresh. Yeah.
Sindhu?
Yes, I agree. The budget is clear.
Okay, excellent then. We've all decided. So we will be choosing the second option, which is the outdoor team building concept. Now, for our next step, Danu, please find 2 to 3 vendor options. Okay? And Restu, please do a survey on our employees. Ask them what activities we might do at the concept. Yeah. Okay, and Sindhu, please prepare a detailed budget about the concept.
Okay.
Is everything clear?
Yes.
Okay. Do you guys have anything else to add before we close the meeting? Everything good?
Everything's
Clear?
good. Yeah, everything's good.
Everything is clear.
Okay. Excellent then. I think that's all it for today. Thank you so much for your participation. We'll meet next week again, and thank you. Have a great day. Good afternoon, team. Welcome to our second meeting. To refresh our minds, I'm going to remind you last week we have all decided to use the outdoor team building concept. So in today's meeting, we'll make the final decision. This is a very important step. So our agenda today is simple. First, Restu, you will provide us with a summary of the employee survey, and then Danu, you will present the vendor options, and then Sindhu, will provide us with the budget for these options. Okay, so the goal for today is to decide the vendor option, one vendor options by the end of this meeting. Okay, so let's begin. Restu, please tell us what do our employees want.
Okay, thank you. I have the complete survey result. The feedback is very clear. 19% of our employees are very excited about an outdoor event. However, the mention three specific things. Yeah? First, they want activities that are fun and collaborative. They are tired of serious, competitive games. Second, the most important point, high quality food. This was the number one complaint from last year. Yeah? They want a good food experience. And the third, they request a professional host or MC to make the event feels energetic. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Restu. So, from what I hear from you, the success criteria are first, which is the most important, are good food, and then fun, and the third one is a professional MC. Okay, let's keep these three things in mind. Next is Danu. Let's see the options. How do the vendors match these requests?
Alright, I have reviewed 5 proposals and I have 2 strong options. I will call them option A and option B. And option A is Jaya Outbound. They are very professional, very experienced. Their strength is safety and organization. Their package is all-in-one, so it includes activities, foods, and all of equipment. And the second one is option B is Let's Study Adventure. They are a newer company, but I think they are very creative. Their activities match Restu survey perfectly. So they propose an amazing race-style game and creative group challenges. Their strength is the fun aspect. But however, there is a big difference. The Study Adventure doesn't provide food, so we will need to find another vendor for food.
Okay, and that where my part become difficult. I have the number. As we know, our total approved budget is 150 million rupiah for Jaya Outbound. The all-in-one package costs 140 million. This is clean, simple, and under our budget. We will have 10 million left over. But for the Let's Study Adventure, the activity package costs 110 million. That sounds cheaper, right? Wrong. I researched high quality catering. Restu request a good catering vendor will cost 5 million. So 110 million plus 15 million is 160 million. This is 10 million over our budget.
I see. This is a difficult situation. So we have option A, which is safe, but and in our budget, but it might not be as fun, and the food are standard. Yeah. And then we have option B, which is fun and the food are great, but it is over our budget. So, Restu, what do you think of this based on our employees?
This is difficult, yeah. But I'm worried about option A. If we chose Jaya Outbound, we are ignoring number one on feedback from the survey. The food. The employees will feel that we did listen to Tim. What is purpose of the event if everyone feels disappointed again?
I understand your pointers too, but my job is to protect the budgets. I cannot approve the 10 millions over budget. We cannot simply spend more money. Maybe the standard foods from Jaya Outbound is not so bad.
So I checked the menu from Jaya Outbound, Sindhu. It's very standard. Fried rice, chicken, fruit. I think it's boring. And from a branding perspective, the Lestari Adventures event feels more like our company, modern and creative. The Jaya Outbound event feels very old and I think it's traditional, like very traditional.
Yeah, okay, so we all prefer option B here, but the problem is the 10 million. We must find a solution. Let's think. How can we reduce the 10 million from option B? Danu, is the 110 million from the Lestari Adventure is a fixed price or can we negotiate?
I already tried to negotiate. They are firm on the price, but let me check the details of their proposal first. Okay, I see it. The 110 million package includes three things: the games, the rafting, and the professional MC. Wait. The professional MC costs 15 million.
The MC. The survey, the Druckers and MC. But it was the third priority. The food was number one. Maybe this is our solution?
Please explain, what do you mean, Restu?
What if we use option B, but we ask the team to remove the professional MC? We can use an internal employees and the MC. When we have many people who are good and public speaking in our company. Yeah.
Okay, let me calculate that. Wait. The original plan was 160 million, and the new plan includes 110 million for the vendor, minus 50 million for the MC. So 95 million for activity, plus 50 million for high quality food. The new total is 145 million.
Okay, 145 million. Sindhu, is that it's acceptable?
Yes, that is 5 million under our 150 million budget. I'm very happy with the number. It is a smart plan.
Okay, I like this solution. We get the creative games from Lestari, and Restu gets the high quality food. It's a win-win situation, I think. And using an internal MC also feels more personal for our company.
Excellent then. It seems we have a final decision. I'm very proud of this discussion. So, to summarize, we all agree to choose the Lestari Adventure option, which is option B, and we will ask them to remove the 15 million from the professional MC package, and we will use that saving to hire the 50 million high quality catering vendor, right? And the total cost will be 145 million, which is safely under our budget. Are we all in agreement?
Agree?
Okay,
Yes.
I agree.
Yes.
Okay, good. Wonderful. Settled then. So, next, Danu, please contact Lestari Adventure immediately.
Okay.
Get the new revised contract, that is, removes the MC. And also, please finalize the contract with the catering vendor. And then, Sindhu, please prepare the payment for both of the vendors, right? And then, Restu, your new job is to find and train our employees that will be our MC at the event. Okay? Does anyone have anything to add?
I
I think it's enough.
No? Good? Good?
It's good.
Okay, let's meet one more time next week to discuss this further. Thank you all for coming to this meeting and have a great day.